Welcome back to Next Lux Reviews, where we explore the world's most luxurious and futuristic rides. And today we're not talking about just another RV. We're talking about something that redefines what a home on wheels can be. This is the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 concept. A vehicle so extraordinary, it looks like it just drove out of the future, parked itself in luxury, and declared itself the king of the road. If you think motorhomes are just for road trips and camping, this one's about to change everything you've ever imagined. Because this isn't just a motorhome. This is a private jet on 6 wheels. Crafted by one of the most elite automakers on the planet, Bugatti. From the moment you see it, it doesn't just grab attention, it owns it. The front design looks powerful and aerodynamic, like it's slicing through the air, even when standing still. With the iconic horseshoe grille sitting right at the center, surrounded by razor-sharp LED headlamps that give it that unmistakable Bugatti face. That golden metallic finish doesn't shine, it glows under natural light. It looks like liquid gold flowing across sculpted panels, while the massive panoramic windshield wraps around the cabin, giving the driver a full 180-degree field of vision. Every single line and curve feels like it's been shaped in a wind tunnel by art itself. But then you take a step to the side and your jaw drops, because the entire body looks like a blend of a hypercar and a luxury yacht. The structure flows seamlessly, with side windows stretching back into the living area like glass tunnels. Chrome details accenting the edges, air channels carved for style and performance, in those massive Bugatti-stamped alloy wheels completing the masterpiece. The rear is equally stunning, with slim LED taillights, a sculpted aerodynamic frame, and an integrated spoiler that improves balance and reduces drag, while even the exhaust looks elegant, futuristic, and pure Bugatti. Stepping inside is when you truly realize this isn't a motorhome, it's a moving palace. As the automatic glass doors slide open, soft ambient lighting adjusts to your mood. The floor glows subtly under your feet. The walls are covered with fine Italian leather and real wood panels, and the air carries the scent of Bugatti's exclusive luxury fragrance. On the left is the living area, more like a penthouse lounge than an RV space, featuring a full-size Alcantara leather sofa, a 70-inch retractable OLED screen, and a 360-degree Bang & Olufsen surround sound system. With just a voice command, you can dim the lights, raise the blinds, or start a movie. All controlled by Bugatti's integrated AI system called Elysium. The kitchen turns functionality into art, with marble countertops, an induction cooktop, a smart fridge, and even a built-in wine cooler, all with soft, close cabinetry that's whisper quiet. The washroom takes 5-star luxury to the road, featuring heated floors, a rainfall shower with customizable lighting, temperature-controlled mirrors, and even an aromatherapy diffuser built into the ventilation system. The bedroom is where comfort meets futuristic design. A king-size memory foam bed, ceiling LEDs simulating a starry night sky, and smart tint windows for instant privacy. There's also a hidden workspace with a foldable desk, built-in monitor, and satellite internet connectivity, making it perfect for working or relaxing anywhere on Earth. And just when you think it can't get better, a glass staircase leads to the upper lounge, a mezzanine deck with reclining chairs, a mini coffee bar, and a panoramic sunroof that opens up for open-air relaxation by the ocean or under the stars. Beneath all this luxury lies raw Bugatti performance. Powered by dual electric motors producing nearly 1,200 horsepower, the Motorhome 2026 concept rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds. Unbelievable for something this massive. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 mph for safety, but with Bugatti's engineering, you know it's capable of more. The vehicle also features solar-integrated roof panels that can recharge up to 40% of the battery while driving. And combined with ultra-fast charging, it delivers a range of about 600 miles, depending on conditions. It even features a glide mode, where the AI optimizes power output for maximum efficiency. The suspension is adaptive and self-leveling, automatically adjusting to road surfaces to deliver a drive so smooth it feels like floating through air. Whether cruising the highways of California, exploring Canada's scenic landscapes, or gliding across the English countryside, the experience is effortless, refined, and unforgettable. Of course, such a masterpiece carries a Bugatti-level price tag, expected to start around $7.5 million USD, depending on configuration and customization. But this isn't a vehicle for everyone. It's for those who already have everything and still want the world to turn its head when they pass by. What makes this machine truly special isn't just its speed or luxury, but the feeling it gives: freedom and comfort without limits, the ability to travel the world without ever leaving your mansion-level lifestyle. That's why the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 concept is making waves across the US, Canada, and the UK. It's not just transportation, it's a statement of power, wealth, and design perfection. If I had to describe it in one line, I'd say, the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 isn't built for the road. It's built for those who own it. So, what do you think? Would you take a ride in this $7.5 million rolling palace? Or would you rather fly private? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love this deep dive into the future of luxury travel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Because here on Next Lux Reviews, we bring you the rarest, boldest, and most jaw-dropping machines from around the world. Until next time, stay classy, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.